What's up guys, Major here. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys something really cool, especially if you're a gamer or a content creator or stuff like that. This is going to help you a lot. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to check your video RAM in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. So it's basically the same thing. You have to open control panel, then you have to go to control panel, then you have to go to appearance and personalization. When you click on that, you have to go to display. Click on display, and then come at the top left side, click on adjust resolution, and when you're on that, you have to click advanced settings. So you can see it's gonna bring up this small window where it's going to show you your video RAM. So basically this is the 32 MB is your video RAM. So it's kind of a potato, but yeah, it does the work. So that's how you check your VRAM, and also this is how you check your GPU, because if you look over here, you see that my GPU is Intel HD graphics 4400. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends guys. It motivates me to make videos for you guys. And Major out. See you guys next time.